So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Got your model number and serial number sitting right here on the side of the tank. You can go to bradfordwhite.com and fill out their registration, their warranty card there, full name, street address, phone number, all your contact info. Then they'll ask for the model and serial number and get your warranty going on this thing. So as per contract and per code, we started up top. We got new offset 90s for the venting. A piece of pipe in between is existing to the home, so no big deal, but it didn't fit back into the same way as the old water heater was installed. So a couple of new adjustable 90s there, existing piece of pipe. We did replace the water valve there, so it's a quarter turn full port ball valve, and that's from Watts. It's our favorite manufacturer for plumbing supplies. And beyond that, in front of the valve, you can't see because it's insulated, it's a brass nipple. Coming out of the wall is galvanized iron pipe, and I would imagine, yeah, so we got galvanized iron pipe coming in at the front of the building. It could be PEX, 20 years old, could be iron pipe under slab, don't know. And then over here you've got, that's all covered up, it's iron pipe. What's insulated underneath here is Falcon stainless steel connectors. These are 0.725 inside diameter, they're the largest in the industry. And these are the ultra flexible, so you can take them apart, straighten them out, and bend them over and over again. So super nice supply lines. We've been using these for a while now, and we like them. I'm not going to try and peel this apart and show you them, but right down here, nope, can't see it. So anyways, you got 3/4 by 15 on this side, Falcon stainless steel on the cold, and then same thing on the hot side down to the tank. We did put a couple of brass couplings and nipples, and these flow very well. The iron pipe breaks down and corrodes and comes apart, which you've got coming out of the wall there. They look like they're in pretty good shape, but you know, the older they get, the worse they flow. And so we use brass. They're more expensive, but that's what we like. So brass coupling, brass nipple, and that creates a nice seal at the nut and the gasket to the tank, so we don't get any leaking here. So we've checked it for leaking, run lots of water, and everything looks dry here. Do monitor this installation, all of your plumbing in the home, especially when someone comes out and works on your plumbing. Monitor it for weeping, any kind of moisture whatsoever. You want to get in front of it before it ends up spraying and damaging your property. So just keep an eye on that. So draft diverter came with the water heater. Relief valve came with the water heater. We've got a copper adapter here over to a copper union, and then down to iron pipe discharge line. This iron pipe 90 and the pipe and the little nipple right there, that's existing. And then we used a dielectric union. Main reason is we're going from a threaded fitting to a sweat or a soldered fitting. And technically you don't need it here. You know, if this was a water line, then definitely we want to separate the metals, the copper and the steel. We could have used an adapter there, but we put one in there. So union here, union there. This is required within 12 inches, that union there, to break apart the relief valve. So you can just pull that out and take the whole tank out of here when you're ready. Anyways, up top we got the adjustable strap in the upper third, and then adjustable strap in the lower third. Down here at the bottom we do have a new gas shutoff valve. There's a drip leg in here, 4 inches, a drip leg or dirt leg to catch any debris in PG&E gas supply. And then a new shutoff valve there, so that's good. Corrugated stainless steel new supply over there, 24 inches by 1/2 inch OD over to the control unit. And then of course this guy's lit, and it is right now, you can see it is at hot, and that is where we leave it. That's approximately 120, and you can see right here, scalding risk increases with hotter water. If you want to turn this up, it's up to you, but if you have small children come by, or if you have small children in the home or visit for any reason and they got full flow in the house somewhere in a full flow faucet or a tub all the way on hot, right here, hot 120, A130, B140, C150, very hot 160, B140, 30-degree burns in 3 seconds, you're going to the hospital. So be very mindful of that when you start raising the temperature. Just leave it down here. I mean, that's my recommendation. But feel free to do what you want, but because of liability, we can only set it right there. Down on the bottom, we did put some cement backer board. This is hardy backer board that the tile guys use when they come back in and they want to waterproof their surround before they start putting tiles on walls. And so we put it on here. There was a little bit of moisture on the stand, and but no mold. So no mold around the perimeter, nothing, no fuzz, no black, no growth, nothing. So it was dry. But we don't like sitting a new water heater down on anything that's even mildly damp. So 1/2 inch hardy backer board there. Let this dry out. You know, if you feel like there might be a problem at some point, you know, have someone demo back this sheetrock right here and take a look underneath the cavity and see if you got anything going on. But I mean, basically you just had a small leak for a short period of time, and it looks like it's in good shape. So, anyways, everything's lit. You'll have hot water about an hour and a half, right around there. Outside of that, this installation is done.